Yeah, good morning, students. Welcome back to our class that is e-business. Uh, Today we are going to learn about LAN, that is wireless LAN, LAN, okay, local area network. So in the last class we discussed about the importance, and now with this topic we are going to complete our third unit in e-business. So please go concentration, and it is very important. And in this topic, you are going to get one long answer and one short answer in final exam. It is very important. And in your future also, this information will be helpful in, and it is helpful in your IT sector. Now, what is in the last class we learn about what is LAN, local area network, how it is taking place. Now this is wireless local area network and Wi-Fi. So a wireless local area network is like a wired LAN without the cable. So here we don't have any kind of cables, but it is working like a LAN. I'll show you in the next slides. I have just uploaded some pictures. By seeing that pictures, you can able to understand. Now, VLANs transmit and receive data over the airways from a short distance in what is known as Wi-Fi or wireless fidelity. So in the internal marks, for one mark, he can ask you what is the full form of Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi full form is nothing but wireless fidelity. Now, what is the work of that and how it functions and what's the meaning of that? We will learn. Now, a wireless LAN is a wireless computer network that links two or more devices using wireless communication to form a local area network that is nothing but LAN within a limited area such as a home, school, computer laboratory, campus or office building. See, in the LAN, what it will be there, it is going to provide the local area network within a college or organization or a company or within a room or within a house. But what is happening? The same thing is there, but we don't have the wires in that. That is nothing but your Wi-Fi or WLAN. WLAN or VLAN, you can say, no problem. So the wireless LAN is nothing but it will provide the internet within a short distance, and the communication, wireless communication will form within a local area, within a limited area, such as the homes or colleges or schools or computer laboratory or campus or office building or organization, whatever it may be. Now, both Wi-Fi and VLAN mean the same. They both refer to a wireless network that can transfer data at high speed. Wi-Fi refers to wireless communication, while a VLAN uses the communication in a local area network. Hence, the name wireless local area network is there. Now, Wi-Fi is defined as an abbreviation for wireless fidelity, meaning you can access or connect to a network. That means the meaning of Wi-Fi here. So it means you can access, you can take the help or connect to a network using radio waves without needing to use wires. An example of Wi-Fi is when you go to Starbucks and can join to their network to get on the internet without having to connect your computer or any wireless. For your understanding, in your common parlance, I can tell you one example. When you are going to the Moinabad side, there is a coffee shop, Muscat, coffee, chai chaska and something. So they are providing the Wi-Fi, internet free. So the people who are going or roaming or who want to go on a long journey or a short journey, the people they are staying, they will stop over there and they will use the internet and they are providing the free Wi-Fi to them. With the help of that free Wi-Fi, the people will sit in the restaurant or in the dhaba and they will use it. So it has become a source of income nowadays, and this Wi-Fi is providing the data with high speed and within a short span of area. Now, if you see the pictures, see this is the how the LAN VLAN is connecting. This is the web portals we are having, and it is connected to one system, another system, and this is the LAN we are having. The wires should be connected. But now, what is happening with the help of Wi-Fi, we can connect our VLAN wireless. So, with the help of the hotspot is there. Examples are there when we are sharing like Bluetooth. With the help of Bluetooth, we'll share the files like that. We are opening some internet cases like hotspot or internet data transfer or opening the Wi-Fi. All these things will comes under the examples of wireless local area network or Wi-Fi. Say here one small tablet is there and another smartphone or iPhone is there and smartwatch is also there. So with the help of this Wi-Fi, what we are having, there will be address will be there and security password will be there. So you have to connect to that Wi-Fi name and then they will ask the security password. You have to give that and you will get the data connection to it. So what is happening in the olden days? You have to strictly sit at one place in front of the system or the laptop. Then we have to work on it. But now what is happening? We can go to a small distance. That means with the help of this Wi-Fi and WLAN, like within the school from first floor to second floor or from ground floor to first floor or from one room to another room, we can go and we can access the data with the help of the mobile. So how the data is getting access? It is getting access by the help of Wi-Fi. Now, if you see here the picture how the internet, this is the telco care network, private fiber network, and we are having the VMAX base station. These are base stations. Two stations are there, and this from this point to this point we are in the point to point backhaul will be there, and this will provide the WiMAX IE. That means this will provide the internet stream will be there. Again, it is an Ethernet, and we can go for the phone call. Access point will be there. Then Wi-Fi will be there. With the help of Wi-Fi, again we can connect to the laptop or system. So this is the total customer premises, our home, business, or hotspot. With the help of this, we are getting connection with the Wi-Fi as well as the WLAN. Now another example is a how wireless LAN is connected. See, I have just connected with access point. So one laptop, two laptops are there, two mobiles are there. So without this is station 1, station 2, station 3, station 4. With the help of one wireless LAN, we are connecting with the 4 stations. So the 4 people can get the data at a time. So this is the most useful weapon now it is there for the internet. Now how what are the concepts of Wi-Fi? This Wi-Fi revolution is there. When it start, what is the use of that? Now what is the illustration application of Wi-Fi? What are the barriers or commercial Wi-Fi growth is there? What is wireless electronic payment system is there? What is the use of Wi-Fi? That means micro payments, wireless bill payments. All these things we learn by seeing one more picture simultaneously or frequently. Now, if you see here, the revolution of Wi-Fi, in the olden days, the people used to connect the wires, internet wires, which is going from one uh, stand. That means you can see here pole. We can see the pole to another pole, and it is going connected. Sometimes it has gone underground, and sometimes in the rocky area will be there, when the high mountains will be there, and the waterways, small rains or ponds, lakes will be there. It was very difficult for them to provide the access. Now, with the help of this Wi-Fi, they are providing. They are just stapling some poles and they are keeping some Ethernet, a big connection on the Ethernet to the internet, and they are providing the access Wi-Fi to the customers. Now, here if you see here, this is the second one is nothing but how the illustration application of Wi-Fi is taking place. See, in this picture, in the first one, only one person and another person is to communicate. Now the mobile phone is changed and it is making means they are communicating. And what is happening with the help of wireless phone? They while playing, you can communicate by sitting in the garden. You can go if a mother is there, if she's cooking, taking care of the youngsters, what it may be, they can communicate, they can exchange the data, they can talk with each other, and they can go for the video calling, audio recording, everything is there. Now what is happening after the LAN within the local area of network, some big companies, what is from they are providing the internet to their homes, to their office, and to their working spot, what it means. See, these are the person, they are sending the messages at a time. His son is going to the school, what his son is doing, he can go for it. He's checking the location, whether he's reaching to his school or not in a proper way, and his wife is going to the office in a proper way or not. It's, I mean, that does she's getting proper security and safety measurements are there or not, everything by sitting at one place a person is viewing. So with the help of this technology, with the help of this Wi-Fi and WLAN, we can able to understand that how the world is connecting to each other and how the work is taking place. Now We'll go the barriers of the commercial Wi-Fi. See, it is cost. It's all readily available. Why shall we have to pay for the internet when we are having the internet connection with the help of Wi-Fi? We can reduce the cost. See, when I have taken the internet connection and I have connected it to my router or WLAN. So with the help of that, I can get the internet access in my mobile, in my laptop, or within a bond area in my home or school or working place. So why shall I have to pay unnecessary internet money on my personal laptop, on my personal mobile? So with the help of that VLAN, I can access the uh, internet, and that cost will reduce it. And security, war driving will be there. So the security is very important. We should not have to share our security or password to unknown person or some other XYZ person. What will happen? They will access our data and they will also utilize. Once they are utilizing our data, the speed will comes down and it will affect our process. Now here, what are the e-commerce payments method will be there? What are nowadays peoples are, how the peoples are using the commerce payments, like cash on delivery? They will pay. They will say, if I am going to order something goods, so no need of jamming or blocking my money. Once the good comes to my home deliver at my doorstep, after seeing the good, if I got satisfaction with those product, I can deliver it on it. So this kind of payment method and mode is there. Advance payment you can pay, check payment you can pay, branchless banking payments you will pay, internet banking, stored value payment system, credit card payments, online stored values, digital wallet, wireless payment system, electronic bill present and payment. All the things nowadays, I can say, all the social media is used for promoting the products, and this the payments will be done with the help of wireless e-commerce. Now micro payments will be the, what are the, what in my micro payments? Small payments protocol developed for very low value transactions, like in America, if you go for some pennies, small pennies or small dollar rates, whatever it may be, so those will be paid easily. So usual examples included paying for web pages visited, paying for downloaded fragments of a song or a movie, for paying for news articles, and for a digital journal, and encouraging shares in peer-to-peer networks. All these things will come under the micro payments, small payments. Nowadays, people are earning with the help of YouTube videos, TikTok videos, depending on the likes and subscriptions. All these things are working. So they'll get some small micro payments will be there. Not very useful so far. Now what is happening? And this micro payments has not been used so far for many people. People are used to get these kind of things free of charge. If they have to pay, they prefer the subscription mode, not something like they have to pay unnecessary 80 paisa, 20 paisa, 50. Like that nowadays, no one is going to prefer it. It is not successful for so far till now. So these are the drawbacks. And the above ones are the advantages, and the down one are the disadvantages of the micro payments. Now, if you see here, with the help of the mobile, what we are doing, we are able to pay gas payment, mobile recharge, electrical bill, and booking the train ticket or flight ticket. All these things are taking place. Now, web portals. What do you mean by web portals? In short, I will tell you. Web portal is a web-based platform that provides employees, customers, and suppliers within a single access point of information. That means about a particular organization or about a particular information of employee or his performance of the system, how it is working. All the information will be provided with the help of the web portal. So a web portal can be used to provide the user with personalized information such as employee training, when he joined, when he got selected, when he got recruited, and when he got training by whom and how many days he had worked, and whether he is having the safety manuals or not, and all about the customer profile, I can say, or the employee profile. Now these are the things what talks about the web portal. Now if you see on the screen, the picture talks about a example, like information about a particular person, mobile number, email id, dating portals, matrimonial portals, has got married, job portals, payment gateway integration, shopping cart, transportation, logistics, all these things are there. Now, types of web portals. Nowadays, many people are keeping their own protocols for not sharing or exchanging of the confidential data or information. Like job portal will be there. Many portals are there. Like Naukri.com is one portal. uh, shine.com, indeed.com. These are the portals. Like that, news portal will be there, travel portal is there, real estate portal is there, e-commerce portal, social network portal, internet web portal, education portal. All these things are different types of web portals. And coming to a next thing, here mobile browsing and internet device. How a mobile browser can be used with the internet device. See, a mobile browser is also called a micro browser or mini browser or wireless internet browser. Is a web browser designed for use on a mobile device such as a mobile phone or PD. Mobile browsers are optimized so as to display web content most effectively for small screens on portable devices. So what is happening here? The mobile browser is also known as micro browser or mini browser or wireless internet browser or web browser or mobile device sometimes or mobile phone something. So all these things. So what is the use of this? It is used for optimizing the. It will display the web content. What are the most effective and small screens in the web portals devices? What are the things are needed for paying the bills or getting the information via education or job portal or traveling or transportation mode portal, everything will get the information with the help of the mobile browsing. So what is happening? Mobile browser is nothing but browsing on our mobile. Browsing how you used to browse on a laptop or system, like that only we are browsing on our mobile also, like WhatsApp, Facebook. These are the applications are connected with the help of the internet and cellular network as well as a wireless local area network. So what is happening? We can generate what's the information got on my WhatsApp, who has subscribed my videos on YouTube, what the my friends has posted on the Facebook, what the information is there on the Twitter, all on these applications. So these mobile browsers are capable of displaying standard HTML sites, and not only that, it also helpful for able to display websites. What are the websites are needed that can be open and you can browse and you can check the program for mobile browser, what it means. So here are some examples of the mobile browsing like Google Chrome, Opera, Apple Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Internet Explorer. So these are known as the mobile browsing and internet devices. So I hope students have understand the concept, and by this we have completed our third unit, and inshallah by the Almighty, I mean by the grace of the Almighty, we will start our fourth unit tomorrow, possible. And please mention your comment, I mean mention your roll numbers in the comment box. And if you have any kind of queries or doubts or others, please mention in the comment box so that I can rectify it, I can fulfill in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.